A British warship drifts home after 2 long years at sea. Its wood is cracked, its sails are torn. The only thing holding it together is hope. This is the HMS Dolphin, once a proud frigate of the Royal Navy, now barely afloat. The Dolphin was sent to find a mythical southern continent. Europeans called it Terra Australis Incognita. They believed it balanced the Earth. Led by Captain John Byron, the ship circled the globe and came back with no discovery. But Britain wanted more. In 1766, the Dolphin sailed again under Captain Samuel Wallace. For months, the crew faced hunger, storms, and sickness. Then, they spotted land. They had reached Tahiti, a lush island in the Pacific. The islanders paddled out in canoes, bringing fruit, pigs, and chickens. The British traded beads, knives, and iron nails. The Tahitians valued iron more than anything because they could not make it themselves. Soon, nails became currency. One nail could buy food or even something more personal. Some women offered their company for a single piece of iron. The sailors did not know they were part of sacred Tahitian rituals linked to fertility and war. What they saw as pleasure was actually religion. As the days passed, the crew began pulling nails from their hammocks and even the ship itself. They traded away the very parts that kept the Dolphin together. Legends say the ship nearly fell apart, though that is only partly true. 2 years later, explorer James Cook arrived and found devastation. Disease brought by foreign ships had wiped out most of the Tahitian people. The story of the Dolphin is not just about adventure or discovery. It is a story of misunderstanding. When 2 worlds met, one was changed forever. The HMS Dolphin became the first ship to sail around the world twice, but its legacy was not glory. It was the beginning of paradise lost.